Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a curly crochet hair using an expression braiding hair. So the very first thing you need to do is to cut your expression hair and then you draw it out so you can have these cute little edges on the tips. And also afterwards you add a little bit of oil to it. You want to make sure that it is looking very silky, and then this is the straw that I'm using to create this curls. So the very first thing you need to do is put it and then you start twisting, but you need to take note of an important information. You need to twist that first so that you can create your loop, and then afterwards you start twisting the hair like so. So we're just gonna twist that and then we'll start wrapping it all around while twisting. So twist and wrap, twist, wrap, twist, wrap until you get to the very end. And then again, after doing this, to secure the hair so that it doesn't unwrap, you need to use a thread to hold that, to tie that into the tips, or you can use a rubber to tie that to the tip. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna do two and then show you guys, because this is more like a sample so that you can have an idea on how to do this if you want to make this and sell. This is the process to making this, so just follow through and you will definitely understand the whole process of the video. So I'm just going to do the second one and show you guys the results. So yeah, this is our curls. So we're just gonna add this to the hot water. Before you add this to the hot water, make sure that you add a little bit of oil to the hot water before adding. Then you leave it just for 5 minutes and then you bring it out. Afterwards we're leaving this to dry, but just because I was so anxious to show you guys how it looks like, I took it out before 5 minutes. So it's not completely dried. Yeah, so if you want this to be much more coily, you need to leave it to get dried, and the longer you leave it, the more it coils even more. So yeah, I'm just bringing this out, and you can see guys, even without waiting for a longer time, it is still very much coily. So yeah, this is the whole process, and this is all there is to creating a curly crochet for yourself, and if you want to sell this. So you can actually create lots of these and wig this to a wig cap, or you can actually do this to your hair, like conrow your hair, and then you just put this like a crochet and just crochet this to your hair. So yeah, this is it guys, looking all beautiful. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video and share this video with your loved ones. I'll be back to give you more tips, more DIYs, and that is all there is guys. Thank you, bye.